Hey, 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 I'm back again. Did you think I had finished with all my bangles? Oh my gosh, you need to see this one. Look at this one. Do you like what you see? Do you like what you see? Because I'm so loving them right now. I'm so loving them right now. It's hot, it's trendy, it's fashionable, and guess what? No tarnish, no fading, no color change. Wear it for as long as you want. You got my word on that, okay? Hold me to that, okay? No tarnish, no fading. Best bangles trending now on Nickel Fashions. It's www.loisnichols.com. I mean, look at it. Come on, look at it. Don't you love them? Don't you love them? Well, if you do, all road leads to www.loisnichols.com. That's where it's trending. Come in the house. Come join us. Come in the house and see for yourself. www.loisnichols.com. Ciao to all my customers. Love you all. I love you.